All right, guys, 2004 GTO. We didn't do anything on it, but I want to give you guys a video of it because he brought it in. He thought his headers were leaking, his long tubes, but they weren't. That's just how they sound. Long tube headers sound like that. So I said, I'm going to do you guys a video because it's a GTO and he's got long tube headers. And he's done the whole exhaust himself, as you guys can see. So I'm like, okay. So I said, I'm gonna let you guys see a video of it. So long tube headers, there and there. Then a full SLP bolt-on system. And no cats, as you guys can see, he did it himself. X-pipe, 2 SLPs in the middle. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back into some 3.5-inch angle cut out the back, right there. As you guys can see, it's really clean, really nice. I commend him for doing it. He did a really great job on it, guys. Anyways, we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And it is a 5.7 GTO. So, you know it's gonna sound mean. Full SLP system, long tube headers. There's the problem. So good. Here's sound decibels again. 119, bro. That's crazy. Oh, that by the way, you guys can only get that if it doesn't have cats. Again. Sounding car, man. Here's sound decibels. 117 when he gets on it. Again. Go ahead and back it out. Full SLP, long tube headers. GTO. That sounds phenomenal, guys. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. GTO long tube headers, full SLP system. Yeah, man.